Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenue dans ce channel là encore aujourd'hui. Ça m'a porté pour nous aujourd'hui, c'est un Q&A. Question avec answer, avec réponse. So yeah, so I'm going to packet question devant moi. And then I'm gonna try my best to answer as many. Pour moi, combien de 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24. I have like 24 questions. So I might add one more pour mettre le 25 là. So, il y a un paquet de questions devant nous. So, je vais parler des questions yo en anglais. I'm gonna try pour me traduire en créole. So basically question en anglais, and then je vais essayer pour me dire en créole, et puis je vais répondre en créole tout, et puis je vais essayer de répondre en anglais tout. So, on va commencer. Première question qui est dans la liste là. Son côté, je juste prends question, je juste faire une question, et then pour répondre pour nous. So, première question qui est dans la liste là. Have you ever met someone famous? Est-ce que moi rencontré un monde qui est famous déjà? Yes. Moi rencontré un monde qui est famous déjà. Moi rencontré more than one. Moi rencontré plus que un seul monde. Dès qu'on travaille dans l'aéroport. So, even gain photo avec mon auto. So, I don't think I'm gonna post any pictures. Maybe I can post, but yeah, I have. One of them was my favorite, Idris Elba. So yes, he actually was the first famous person I met. Yeah. So yes, moi rencontré mon famous déjà. L'aimé qu'on a travaillé à l'aéroport là. Ok, deuxième question. Do you still have your childhood teddy bear? Est-ce que je toujours gagne teddy bear, poupée, nounou, so whatever you call it? Est-ce que je toujours gagne ba ça ou qu'il aime de petit monde de gagne ou? No, pas gagne. So yeah, pas gagne aucun bagay childhood l'aime de petit, but je gagne un pile memory in tête of my childhood. So yeah. But pour qu'un teddy bear, qu'un poupée, l'aime de petit, est-ce que je toujours gagne déjà? No. So I'm appliqué to toutes questions où me répondre, I just cross them off, okay? So next question. How many pair of shoes do you have? A lot. Combien de paires de souliers me gagne? Gagne un pile. Maybe. Oh my gosh. If I'm making it on kikit, maybe I can take close to 50 talon kikit. Et puis pas talon kikit, flat avec souliers, sandal, but flat. Maybe I'm going no good like 30 to 40. Yeah, I have a lot. Et puis en pile na auto, m'ba j'aime commettre yo, so yeah. Sinon vous voulez, on va faire un soulier vidéo pour nous pour montrer nous tout souliers moi-même, ou bien maybe my favorite pair of shoes. So yeah, I have a lot of shoes. Grand pile soulier. So next, do you like scary movie? Est-ce que moi mes movie qui fait mon peur? Yes, I do. But I don't like watching them at night. M'a regarder le soir parce que yo fait gagner un mauvais rêve le soir. Là, me fin regarder pour mal dormir. So yeah, I love them, but I rather watch them like during the day, not at night. And I would rather watch them that PM regarder like un monde qui là, because si c'est moi qui là pour comme while I'm watching it, ma bien. But I do love scary movie, okay? What is this question? Have you ever fired a real gun? Est-ce que je shooté un bon zam déjà? No. M'poko j'aime shooter un bon zam, and m'poko j'aime ouais un bon zam too. Maybe my cousin's gun because she's a cop. But little na backsley, little lock na backsley. Well, little to travel, little middle na backsley. But back when they like that interested in the that a kiss look like or whatever. But they close to one. But m'poko jamais yun, m'poko jamais really wear yun. So yeah. Last film you watch? Ki dernier movie m'gade? Oh my gosh. I haven't watched a movie in a while. Last movie. Shit, gade last TV show, gade last série, last. Nge kek tan pa gade movie, please gade TV shows. The last one I watched was earlier, like I watched the Queen of the South. I'm in the process of watching it, so map gade lim from the season 2, probably episode 4. Episode 2 or something, because I just started episode 2. Yeah, so I'm on season 2, probably episode 2. So yeah, this is what I'm watching right now. But like for movie, maybe movie haïtien. Yeah, on dit ok movie haïtien. They got a movie haïtien. Yeah. Yeah, moi m'a fait Patrick le dimanche toujours like nous fin manger, nous fin bien, just relax nous regarder movie haïtien and then yeah. So maybe yeah, they got a movie haïtien, but movie American I don't remember the last time. Okay. Next question. Do you like roller coasters? Est-ce que moi mais comment on dit roller coaster? Est-ce que moi mais radio qui play de vie or whatever you call them? Bah, c'est comme really en créole, but no, I don't like them. I've tried a few. They say cake na yo. I did not like it. I was like never again. Maybe probably Saki easy ka. But sakap vige, sakap descend, no. Because lemfin try by how descend you feel nauseous, dizzy. I feel like I wanna throw up, vomit. No. Mte vle fel, mfeli, monte na cake rides. But after that, I was like, nope, I did it, I tried it, but never again, thank you. Since then, I haven't been like, not Oakland amusement park or anything like that. Because, yeah, what's the point of going if you're not gonna get on any rides? So, next question. Have you ever cried at a film? Yes. Who doesn't? Est-ce que crier I'm got on movie déjà? Yes. Especially the Lifetime movies. Yeah, I always cried on most of them. But I don't remember the last time I cried because I'm get kicked back at the movies. So yeah. But some good movies, like I do cry. I'm crying at a movie. Next question. What was your first job? My first job was at a supermarket. I was a cashier at a supermarket. I was only there for like a few months. Yeah, pour me travailler dans supermarket. Yeah, but it fun because I did not like it. So it wasn't me, it wasn't for me, and yeah. Okay, next one. What is one of the best memories you have? Ki yon na pi bon memory mwen gen? Maybe my childhood memory. Yeah, lemte piti. Mwen gen pil memory lemte piti. I really like memories how pa I'm sitting at mwen with my sister, with our imaginary best friends, with our actual best friends, like bon zami nou, zami ki te nan tet nou, ki te forje nan tet nou, like I have a really good childhood. So yeah, I had the best childhood ever. I will never forget my childhood. Yeah, the best. My sister can even tell you that I had the best one. Next, how would your boss describe you? That's a good one. Never late, always on time. Always have my job done. I do whatever I have to do and bye. Yeah. Even though I'm working with friends, even though I travaille avec amis, nous toujours parler, but toujours make sure to travailler là-dedans. So depuis ma travail, don't worry, ça doit faire là, à fait. Même si on m'a plaidé parler avec, si c'est avec amis, ma travail encore tout, même si on m'a plaidé parler, toujours make sure at the end of the day, tout travail là fait. So yeah, my boss will tell you, I'm toujours on time, I never called out, and I'll make sure travail qui est pour fait là, les fait avant m'aller la caille moi. Okay? Yes. 48. What makes you the happiest? Qu'est-ce qui fait me content en pile? Shopping. Cooking makes me happy. When I'm cooking, I'm happy. And also, what else? Shopping, cooking. And when I'm around people that I love and I know people that loves me, that makes me happy. So I'm shopping, lem a faire manger, lem bon côté moun qui aime back, so I'm content. I don't need anything else. Okay? And lem bon côté Patrick, forget about it. I don't need nothing. Okay? Next. Okay. Yes, I'm getting next. What is something that you're really good at? Oh, I'm watching soccer too, guys. Penalty. Goal. Yeah. Anyway, what is something that you're really good at? I'm really good at cooking. Yeah. On bagay bon là-dedans, bon à faire manger. Believe me. Whatever manger ou me faire, ou me connaît que this shit is like, sorry. Ou me connaît que it's gonna be good. Believe me. It's gonna be good. I'm not lying. My cooking, forget about it. My cooking is good. My cooking is amazing. Okay? I can say that. Look at them kids. I'm patting my face. Yeah, so I'm really good at cooking, you guys. So, yeah. Next. Are you a dog or a cat person? I can say I'm a dog person because I had a dog when I was like a kid. I love that dog. But yeah, quand je someone qui aime un chien, plus passer chat. But depuis que je viens ici, beaucoup j'aime gagner un pet. So yeah, but si je gagner un pet, je definitely gagner un dog, but a small one. Probably a small one like that. Keep up grandi. So I'm thinking I was like big dog. So yeah. Si je gagne un pet, je devrais gagner un chien instead. But petit chien qui petit. Next question. Are you a morning person or a night person? I'm not a morning person at all. Don't come close to me in the morning. Patrick can tell you. I don't even want to talk about that. No, I'm pas un morning person. Pas lever, tout le temps c'est pas moi qui lever pourquoi, mais soulever, I will not be happy. Quitter me lever pourquoi, like pas m'aider, until me reprendre comme les Patrick, les Patrick fini de lever for something et puis il dit ok, nous connaissons nous pour nous sortir blablabla, me dit ok, bon like un petit temps pour me lever on my own. S'il te pour venir de le fond bagay, me dit ok, pour me retourner back dans cabane. Pour mal fin faire ça whatever si me pas dormir bon me retourner dans cabane for 5 minutes or 10 minutes bam fini but bon mon temps pas lever. Yes, that's why I don't like working in the morning. Puis de travail après-midi t'as m'a lever chaque matin à travail. Maybe me prendre quelques jours me travailler matin quelques jours après après-midi but 5 jours straight lever, even à 7 heures me lever ou bien 6h47 me lever, I don't like it, so no, I'm not a morning person. Next. Are you scared of heights? Est-ce que moi peur dans qui ou bien hauteur? Yes. M'parle me haut en That's why I'm them there. I'm going to monter une échelle. J'aimerais monter une échelle. Pour monter une échelle, pour me regarder en bas. Ou bien pour. Non, je ne pas camper en l'air, me regarder en bas. Maybe si bah là une clôture. Yes, si balcon a une clôture, je vais camper dans le balcon. Mais il y a un balcon qui n'a pas aucun bail qui couvre, je ne peux pas monter en l'air pour. Non, je ne pas en l'air même. Ok? Next, we're almost done, you guys. Are you named after anyone? Est-ce que nom gagnant c'est après on moun yo te bomne ou bien comme nom gagnant come up. Non se Mwen ses la. So ki story mte tande, se an cousine mwen I think ki te bom nou an. E pi nou an sorti I think nan on live either her or my mom tap li. Le mom te go vote mwen. And then yo bom nou an. But nou an sorti nan histoire ki te nan on live. Yo te well. Yo now tap li live la and then yo well nou an. And then when it comes to give me a name and then say no sa out ou ba mwen. So, c'est comme ça, I'm the story, if I'm not mistaken. So, yes. Next. Can you whistle? Ooh. Can I whistle? Yes, I can. Okay, est-ce que m'ka souffler? Yes, m'ka souffler. You wanna hear it? Okay, moi souffler ou non? Okay, but from sérieux, m'ka souffler. Okay? Yes, m'ka souffler. I'm trying to wrap this up, you guys, because my video I'm just very straight and then done. But I'm presque fini. Yes, m'ka souffler, m'sot souffler pour now, okay? Next question. Did you dream last night? Yes, I had a dream last night. Even this morning, I was even thinking about the dream. Yes, m'te fon rêve hier soir. Ça fait me penser ça because matin m'ta pensé à rêve là because m'a dormi à 1h du matin, m'ta regardé Queen of the South. And then for some reason, m'fon rêve de ça m'ta regardé. I did not like the dream. Yeah, if you watch Queen of the South, ou connaît ça qui passe dans Queen of the South. So fon rêve, you already know it's not gonna be good. So yes, m'te fon rêve de ça m'ta regardé hier soir. Okay? Next. Do you have a best friend? Yes, I have a best friend. I only have one though. Yes, I have a best friend. I have friends. I have friends that I love dearly, but I only have one best friend, okay? I'm not gonna say any name. Yes, but I have one best friend who knows a lot about me though. And I know a lot of stuff about her, but yes, I do have a best friend. Two more. Do you have a tattoo? Yes, I have a tattoo. Right here. Oh. Yeah, right here. Just that one. Can you see it? Yes, right here. I have one tattoo. I'm planning on getting some more though. I'm busy for a lot. But it's about bike like whoa, but now I'm getting plus tattoo. And last question, do you love your job? I do love my job. I love a lot of people like that I work with. So yes, I'm gonna travail m'a faire. Pour ça que par contre, I'm in the medical field. I've been in the medical field for a few years now. Yes, I do love my job. So yeah, c'est tout ça m'te gen pour nous aujourd'hui, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bon, peut-être from down. Then so yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Fais me connaître si vous voulez plus vidéo toujours. Fais me connaître qui vidéo t'as aimé ou me faire. And yeah, so I don't know what else to say. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, share, everything. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.